Here in Guimaras, we intend to transfer to another paradise called Nature's Eye. In fact, the road is narrow and long, and you can see the scenery around this entire nature that created by God. How wonderful and how great God is. This beautiful world to enjoy and relax. As for this entire adventure we have, you can see the white sand beach. This trekking of ours is enjoyable. Despite the tiredness we have, we never gave up. We're fast approaching, and finally, we're here at last. Our groups of ours, we're gonna invade this just for an overnight stay here at Nature's Eye. You remember? In fact, this is our second time to visit this place. Oh, that familiar dog still barks at us. Hello, we're all your friends.
Hello, boy.
See that panoramic view?
Yeah. No.
Again, we're monitoring our health over here. Prevention is better than cure. Then you wash again. You wash. You turn on again. Yeah.
I already did. It's raining
Now that
now.
it's raining.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Here comes the rain again. Hello. That's pretty cool. Welcome to Philippines.
That felt good.
Oh, I wanted to shower over the rain.
Ito dito, picture to, oh.
The weather normalizes again once and for all. Oh, I love going into the white sand beach. I'm going to show you all of the rooms that we chose in order for us to take some enough rest. Showcasing the fusion of native products and modern technology just to improve this place for a big impact. It's all very natural. Oh, it's just like a matrimonial bed. That bathroom, wow! For sure, this is where I'm going to stay.
Just for 4. Not for 5. Yeah, just for 4.
Well, be cautious.
Have to inform them.
We're situated on the upper level. Now, this is the lower level room, but we definitely chose the upper level. It's a must try to visit this place, Nature's Eye, Nueva Valencia Guimaras, Philippines. It's our call time now and dinner is ready.
Because yeah, right. Oh, if you want your menu, Steve. Happy birthday.
Mom, up.
At least there's a little sweat on the outside of the.
Yeah, probably they did.
I have to shower. What is that? More grilled chicken?
You wanna put some that
7 more grilled chicken.
one more for down.
It's time now to go back to get enough
Wheelie?
rest.
Come on, bar. Turn that off really quick.
It was a thrilling walk when we went down.
Oh.
You can hear the sound of the big waves on the ocean.
Probably like, come here.
Oh, guys, party place. Indeed, beautiful scenery by night. Yeah, try to open that one. Jonathan is now sleeping, while the rest of the guys is still drinking on the balcony, while I'm having my pajama. I also joined playing cards with them before going to bed. It's your turn now. Me? I'm about to sleep now. Good night, guys. Nature's Eye is a must try. Thanks for watching.